Hello everyone, welcome back to the Digital Tutors. Today we're diving into Canva's latest feature, Dreamlab. Dreamlab is a game changer, bringing AI-powered image generation right into Canva. Powered by Leonardo AI, this tool lets you create jaw-dropping visuals from just a few words. So let's get started. First things first, how do you access Dreamlab? Open the Canva, and on the left sidebar of homepage, you get Dreamlab icon. But if don't see it on your sidebar, don't worry. Here's a trick for you. Go to your browser and type canva.com/dreamlab and you're in. Now here's the deal. Free users get 20 prompts for life. Each prompt allows you to generate designs, but once you hit 20, that's it. No more Dreamlab access unless you upgrade. Pro users get 500 prompts every month, which reset monthly. This means you can experiment endlessly, refine designs, and explore creative ideas without limits. Perfect for professionals and frequent creators. Once you're in, this is what Dreamlab looks like. Here you have input box to describe your image. Below, style selector like artistic, realistic, 3D, cinematic, etc. and aspect ratio options. You can select ratios like portrait, square, and widescreen. Let's start with a quick test. I'll describe something simple. A magical underwater kingdom with glowing coral reefs, colorful fish, and a mermaid castle in the background. Hit create. And here you have. Look at that! Dreamlab generated 4 stunning options. Notice how detailed and vibrant they are, perfect for a fairy tale project. But hey, if you're new, don't worry. Dreamlab gives you example prompts to help you get started. Copy those to learn how to structure your own. Let's try something fun. How about a quirky character? Here's my prompt. A funny character, messy-haired, oversized glasses, juggling coffee, papers, and a cat on their shoulder. Look at these. Each image has its own unique vibe. Dreamlab is perfect for adding personality to your projects. Let's create one with illustration style. And the result is amazing. Here are a few tips to use Dreamlab efficiently. Use detailed prompts. Vague descriptions lead to vague results. Be as specific as possible. Instead of saying a sunset, try a golden sunset over the ocean with soft waves and a silhouette of a palm tree. Experiment with styles. Dreamlab offers various styles like realistic, 3D, or illustration. Test them to find what suits your project best. Explore keywords in Canva. Search for inspiration in Canva's Elements tab. Look for images or backgrounds, then check the keywords used to describe them. Use these keywords in your prompts for better results. That's a wrap on Canva Dreamlab. With this tool, the possibilities are endless, whether you're designing for fun, work, or art. Try out these tips and enjoy creating something new with Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep creating.